ADHD is a neurodevelopmental difference. It affects focus, executive function, and the brain's reward timing. It is not a character flaw. Executive function helps you start, organize, shift, and complete. When it's overloaded, everything stalls. ADHD paralysis feels like knowing what to do, and still frozen. The system is overwhelmed, not unwilling. Tasks are unclear or huge, choices are endless, and motivation chemistry lags. The brain hits the brakes. Shame makes paralysis worse. Beating yourself up is not a plan. Minutes can vanish. Or a task feels endless. That's time blindness. A real ADHD experience. The brain registers mountain. We'll turn it into pebbles you can actually step on. When everything is an option, nothing starts. Constraints create momentum. You don't wait for motivation. You create it with tiny action that wakes up dopamine. Your brain is not broken. We'll work with it, not against it. Commit to 1 minute. Open the doc. Title the page. Momentum begins small. List only the first 3 or 4 pebbles. Start with the one that takes under a minute. Keep a ready menu of tiny wins. Pick one. Any one. 2 minutes of breathing, a cold splash, or a quick walk helps the nervous system unfreeze. Make the next step the easiest thing in sight. Put the tool in your path. Hide the distractions. Use visual cues, alarms, and trackers. Memory offloaded means the brain is freed. Attach new behaviors to existing anchors. Tiny, repeatable, predictable. Reward starting, not just finishing. Dopamine stacks with consistency. Quiet, friendly presence boosts initiation. Schedule body doubling or check-ins. Try saying, 1 tiny step, or, I'll open it for 60 seconds. Language reduces threat. Use your bare minimum list. Protect the basics and take just 1 gentle step. Don't debate. Follow your stuck map like a pilot checklist. Without a plan, the day slips. Tasks loom. Time dissolves. Same brain. New strategy. Small steps compound into motion. This guide gives you practical tools, not pressure, to move from freeze to flow. Clear explanations, step-by-steps, and ready pages you can use today. This isn't a cure or diagnosis. It's a toolkit for compassionate, sustainable progress. You don't need the perfect plan. You need a start. Download Breaking Through at sivra.gumroad.com.